Lalita Sahasranamam is a powerful stotra from the Brahmananda Purana. The Lalita Sahasranama is the 1,000 names of the Hindu mother goddess Lalita. It is a sacred text for the Hindu worshippers of the goddess Lalita Devi, who consider to be a manifestation of the Divine Mother, and the text is therefore used in the worship of Durga, Parvati, Kali, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Bhagavati. A principal text of Shakti worshippers, it names the goddess's various attributes in the form of names organized in a hymn. Sahasranama is used in various modes for the worship of the Divine Mother like Parayana, Archana and Homa. The names are organized as hymns or stotras but are often broken into mantras to represent all 1,000 names. Therefore, the Sahasranama can be chanted in stotra form or Namavali form. The Lalita Sahasranama is one of the only Sahasranamas that does not repeat a single name. The Lalita Sahasranama is said to have been composed by the 8 Vagdevis Vasini, Kameshwari, Aruna, Vimala, Jayani, Modini, Sarveshwari and Kaulini upon the command of the goddess Lalita herself. The Sahasranama says that one can worship Lalita only if she wishes us to do so. This stotra occurs in the Brahmananda Purana in the chapter of discussion between Hayagriva and sage Agastya. Hayagriva is an incarnation of Vishnu with the head of a horse and is held to be the storehouse of knowledge. Agastya is one of the sages of yore and one of the stars of the constellation Saptarishi. At the request of Agastya, Hayagriva is said to have taught him the 1,000 holiest names of Lalita. Benefits of chanting Lalita Sahasranamam. It is a cure for all types of fever and gives rise to long life. It will bless you with son, that too, first son, and gives 3 types of wealth. This special prayer of goddess, which pleases Lalita Devi very much, should be chanted daily after worshipping of Lalita. The devotee would get the effect of taking bath in sacred rivers like Ganga. 1 crore times effect as consecrating 1 crore lingas. 1 crore gold ornaments to the twice born who has learned Vedas or doing 1 crore Ashwamedha yagas in the shores of the Ganges. Effect of digging 1 crore wells with water in the deserts or feeding 1 crore Brahmins daily during the famine. Effect of doing with great attention, training, teaching 1,000 children. 1 crore times the good effect of doing all these matchless blessings would be got even by chanting 1 name out of the 1,000 secret names. Even if 1 name among the 1,000 secret names is read, all the sins committed by him would be destroyed without doubt. Even the sin caused by a very bad act of not doing the daily sacred routines would go away and all the sins would be destroyed speedily.